Alright guys, so we got our hands on a pretty awesome project that we're going to be bringing back to life here. We're going to paint it, we're going to clean it, we're going to polish it. But before I do the walk around, I do want to remind y'all to subscribe to our channel so y'all can keep up with this content. We're going to be posting updates as we go. And also, don't forget to buy some of our merch. We don't have much merch up there right now, but anything you guys buy helps our channel grow. So make sure you check out our merch. You should be seeing a graphic for it right now. All right, now on to the walk around. I'll be doing progress updates. This is gonna be the first video of this series, and I'm just gonna do a walk around for you guys so that y'all can see the state of the car. This is day 3 of ownership. We haven't done anything to it other than drive it to our shop. We're definitely gonna need to paint the hood. Little headlight restoration action. Some paint on the bumper. These mirrors have seen better days. We've got a delamination issue going on here on the windshield. More clear coat failure up here. For anybody in the know about paint, is this just clear coat failure? Do we add another coat of clear after we clean this up and prep to bring it back to black? Or does it need to be prepped, primed, painted, clear, etc.? Let me know if you guys are in the know. Haven't done any research on that yet. Here's the interior. I'd say the worst part of the interior is that the dash started to come apart here. We're either going to try to repair that or replace it. It just delaminated, so that might be salvageable. We'll see. In the trunk, we have an extra center console, so we'll be replacing this raggedy center console with that. I don't know what this nonsense is. But aside from that, what do you guys think about this car? Savable or set it on fire? Me personally, I think it's still savable. The story behind it is that it sat under a tree since, let's go take a look at the tag on it. So 2017, 2018, just sat under a tree and all this stuff started to happen to it. Somebody gave up on it. The guy I bought it from that guy that let it sit under a tree, and apparently he just put some gas in it and it started right up, and then I got my hands on it. So now we're gonna finish this baby up and get it looking amazing and sell it, or maybe we'll keep it. I don't know yet. All right, so one more thing and then we'll wrap this video up. I want to show you guys under the hood. And a bonus as we walk that way, it does have slotted and drilled rotors all the way around. What kind of shape they're in, I don't really know. I'm not a brake expert, but I'll have my brother, who knows quite a bit about brakes, come over and check them out. Let's see, where is the latch on this? Here it is. You guys see that? No. There we go. The legendary LS1 5.7. This is the one that started it all. I believe it came in the Corvette C5 Corvette in '97 first, and then made its way to the Camaros and Trans Ams in '98. So we're definitely going to clean this engine bay up. It doesn't look too bad under here. I mean, it's dirty, but it doesn't look ratty. You know, it doesn't look like a lot of shoddy mechanic work was done, and that's probably why it runs so good. Another thing is that it's got a completely stock exhaust, which means maybe an older, more conservative person drove it and they never put a stock on. I mean, they never put an aftermarket exhaust on it, which is good for us, because it means maybe, just maybe, it wasn't raw dogged all its life. And mileage is, I believe we're at about 135. I did run a Carfax on it, and the Carfax is consistent with that. So that's a low mileage car, being that it's a 1998, guys. So anyways, that's gonna wrap this video up. Go, detailer, go.